Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. So I just opened the Notepad++. So what I'm just going to do actually here, I'm just teaching you some of the functions which is special for the arrays, and actually called the array function. There are a lot of functions for this purpose. For example, count function, is array, in array, and multiple functions like that. First of all, I'm just teaching you to count the elements of the array. So let's just type print r. Okay, as I said that if you just want to get the complete arrays, just type print r. Oh no, this is not the way actually. Here I don't need to get all the arrays, I just want to count the arrays. So echo and the function count. You know the rule of the function? Type two parentheses after the function, and inside the parentheses just type the array name. So which array? I'm again choosing the days array. Okay, this is the array. It has approximately 8 elements. Why 8? Because the holiday is in the days as well, by the way. Excuse me. Here I'm just typing days now, and before this I'm just putting this echo. I'm just copying that, okay, and pasting it here, and go to the browser and refresh that. Now 8, I'm getting 8. Why 8? Because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so by the count element we can get the counting of any array. So this is a one, this is first function. Now I'm just teaching you some more functions of array. I'm just choosing the in array function here, and how it works actually, just type another function here. I'm just typing echo and in array. Okay, this is another function. Okay, as you can see that it turns into blue, and then just type the array name. I'm choosing the days again, and before that actually by using the in array function we can check that we can check any element, that element is inside the array or no. So I'm just checking the Monday, that Monday is inside this days array or no. So I'm just pressing in space, simply just typing Monday and putting a comma, and then pressing in space and typing. This space is not necessary, just for making this readable. Okay, so by the way, this is the days array. Let's just go to the browser and refresh that, and I'm just getting nothing. Oh, I got it. The problem is actually to showing, obviously this is actually I just changed that. Yeah, this is Monday. Yeah, actually Monday is in the days, but how to get the result? I just checked that by typing some random numbers which actually not in the array, but I'm not getting any result still. So actually this has two values, the true and the false, but for getting the values of it we just have to put the if else function, or if else statement actually. If, here I'm just typing in array, and inside this array I'm just pasting this and deleting that. Okay, if the MOAD whatever is inside the days array, then print this curly braces. I'm just typing echo MOAD is in, not in this way actually, is inside the days array. Okay, now a semicolon, and after that I'm just putting the else, and here I'm just typing echo sorry, not found. Okay, now just check it in the browser. I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Sorry, not found. Perfect. If I just type here Monday, okay, Monday is in the days, must be in the days. So let's just refresh this, and now sorry, not found, meaning okay, I understood. Actually Monday, the M of this Monday is capital and here is small. So I'm just removing this and capitalizing the M, and now just go to the browser and refresh that. Monday, oh, MOAD inside the days array. Why the MOAD? Because this is simple string which is showing here. So how to get this data here as well without typing? So simply just type s day, means single day, whatever you type is equals to, and here I'm just typing Monday. Now we can do another thing is actually, instead of typing the code I'm just typing s day. Okay, So what is S day? Actually S day is Monday now, and removing that, actually I'm just using the double quotes, and otherwise I have to use the concatenation technique there, by the way. So here, instead of this MOAD, I'm just typing S day. Okay, what is S day? S day is a variable, and now as you know that variable is nothing but the value of the variable. So here actually the in-array function is thinking that this is a value which is Monday, and this is an array. So let's just refresh that, and now Monday inside the in the day, inside the days array. Here if I just type Tuesday, so by using the variable in this way, variables can be very helpful. Now if I just type Tuesday, then refresh that, and now Tuesday inside the days array. That means actually the Tuesday is operating here. It means in the in array function and here as well. So I hope you understood the in array function as well. I'm just teaching you some more functions in this class, so stay tuned and sit back. The another function is array. Okay, I'm just teaching you the function is array. Here I'm just typing if, and here is array. Okay, so what this function can do, actually this is simply checks that here I'm just putting a value and or a variable. Now the function just checks that the value or the variable is actually an array or no. For example, if I just type days here, then here, if the days is an array, then echo true or whatever you just want. And here else, I'm just talking about the else, if not, then echo false. Let us save it, go to the browser and refresh that. Now true, I'm just getting the true there. So for now I'm just copying the single BR and actually pasting that here. Now refresh that again, and now I'm just getting true at the last line. Perfect. But if I just type capital A, obviously as you know that PHP is case sensitive, so capital A is nothing. So refresh that. Now I'm just getting undefined variable days in the line number 103 and false. Okay, it is just telling that false. And why this error? Okay, I got the result false, but why this error? Because I just put it a variable which is actually not exist in whole data. So for this purpose, what I have to do, actually here I'm just typing another variable. I'm just creating another variable dollar and months. I think months is here as well. So dollar year. Okay, simple year is equals to, here I'm just typing 2015 or save it, and now here. Now the problem is that the days isn't exist in the whole document, but I'm just checking the year. Now I won't get the error because the days isn't inside the isn't exist in the page, but the year is it. The thing is that year is not an array, it is a simple variable. Okay, so it is just giving us a false statement. So I hope you understood, and there are a lot of more functions of array, so I'll teach you some more in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.